Vice President Barim jongka Seng Kongres uba John F. Karshiying menta kasengi ka khatway tarik risau ulalait ban penyaso no elade baga Seng National People Party ha office trekam ka NPP hala chumer hakaba lapdiang hi do National President ka NPP bad ubadeiru menteri rangba ka sarkar jilla u Konrad Konggal Sangma haka jingdon lang MLA ka Mahoti constituency uba da sakhet bhalamare uba sengyau bhalang dhar uba penyai Sing bad kiwi kinonyelam bagi jongka parti.
Cinta gap termatang apa lais ni masih ubah itu tu saya berbet kiki jinga kalau kiki. Kamu ka sarkar ka basnap ya ka suruh pai ka sarkar ka snap ya ka suruh pai Kishong haki mo kikap na yu iba kadi ka sarkar ka bala wara yu ka resolution halo ka ILP. Pak kepala penuh nama kadi ka kata lang ya ka home ministry kadi ka home ministry ko dia. Rai hato ka sarkar ka lepas ni kata ka ikan resolution kita pas ke coalition lang mo what ki opposition ki kasyalang ni kata te ngasokan ong kentu kerpat lumba kali kerja kentu aku beri pi kino patai ko boy bakin penai lam ko boy bakar cingkat pat na kali jonga kalau ya barok tongin aina ya gani Seng bakan yo lakum no anum dunai spusnam yo penyai iki polisi bobon ki ban betoy yang haka lanjong ka haka kambai di buku usam manuan mudur ba mentak si bonsen ni lapang kiseng balang ki ba mau ladi ku mengi ki girang pata ki biar point tu boundary bendit ya korban itu kadai haka ni jelam jong ni Seng haka jelam jong ni chief minister mata ba chief minister Assam bat Meghalaya kilai bunjur bandon ka ministerial team ka bandit jumo ban pek ban pa ban penbiang ka report alor pul sam empat esok mereka tak macam, wal ada les ingin dijuk sarkar poslong apa mereka po Assam. Nari mentah pasti, wal ada hamdai ke jauh Seng hanga po Assam pada ni, kapau apa kajingnya keren kawan dur. Te hatungin ailat yang kata ni ingin pentut kita. Nanti masuk bah, kumpa kalau mentah ni, te ban cuman hanbek yang kali Seng, bahkan yo ban priat, yang kikam dijam ban warak kejum betul yang baik bah. Te nak kalian cuma sentuh dikilok jor aku beli perlok belewan semua orang kau di borok nak ada juga ni COVID situation dan nilai pakai kubur yang khmat yang dalam handi aku beli pi borok kelak yang subha lang yang pi borok saya kasih dengan soalong aku beli yang pi ba ngawan handi mentaksi dapat jingtip riu tu beli kanjing sembang hadir kejing perkat kebelasan ni bah hadirin kacing ino kam jonga naka Seng Kongres kum u hadirin kacing ino kam jonga kum u Wayne Vice President juga MPCC juga Meghalaya au araja hakanda ngala susong kutu klamda room solution namaka lawan mi dengan kesokan ke NPP party berka kebun kami party te kumloong i ramba mo ngida song ngida perkhat ngida pusan ma kumno beginian syakanu pat karasan ka beginian te hadin kecil perkhat ka basani ba nyo iru aka pertai India ba ka kendrum kendam mo kadon aka Seng Kongres kitu ru mo ki don hati jingkendrum kendam ka bobon ha Tega sobat omba nakaliang jonga shimet ite ngala susim ya kecing perkat kalau hukum ba pijit mo berkersian ni dulu ke tim mo apa kia kersian ni gini tim football sobat omba apa ke bisyar gini dah ngala pek hadin mata asnem tam asnem steng lanjut tak lai snem kecing tekam jodi ke sokar haki popon kia lang apa syaka karep karyang lang apa syaka ka Manrega kumala umende ngalak ka jimpulut ka jing pentrikam ha ka Manrega kalong kepala jupor ba ka bamut ki paipa nong song ki ba kwa ya ka belas pasni ki la yo kamtam ha ka nika jing perking gini ka perfect susu ni danru ka ni ngayo iru sakawai ka de jingla jong ka nika party ha ka jingram jong national president bolong chief minister jong jela Meghalaya Sri Konrad ke sama ubalala ban kila itri berba ban penbet ban tem ya katuka jing mo ka bangi onga ka COVID-19 ladangi bisyari gwe ki jela pinjui ke jing keluar hantu ko bla ser kaiba ama ki jumla betem ho ya ko por ni smolem ya kita gi misim ladu ndai ngana sobat oba kalau pisim ya ka rukom trekam ha ka COVID tadi gani sarkar ha ka jingelam joke NPP ki balala ban tek lakam ya kita gi jinge ha ka jinge tre ringkat ba ki borstong ki balang ikan hol paper ikan mau kita por no aru kan no I could play emotional play simbata
very sure that given the current political situation that is prevailing in the state, given the current political situation that is there, especially in the opposition party, we are expecting that more and more like-minded people, more and more people who really want to do positive change for the state will see that it is inevitable and it will be most productive if they come and join the NPP and they are working with us together in order to achieve their goals and their objectives as well as contribute towards the development of the state. So we do expect, and I do urge all like-minded leaders from different political parties, especially the opposition, that we need to work together. This government has dared to take steps which a lot of governments did not. This government has taken bold measures and steps and decisions which others got scared or did not have the guts to do at that point in time. And we're not saying that these are easy decisions or easy steps or easy stands. These are very tough. But we are very clear in our mind what we want to achieve and what we want to, how we want to move forward. Therefore, all these aspects require that we need the support of the people, we need the support of leaders to come and work with us so that we are able to take all these steps that we have started to the logical conclusion. And that is why, as I said, a lot of positive news and message coming for the people, for the stands we've taken, for the decisions we've made. As I said, not always the best and the easiest decisions to make. Some decisions are very tough. It's easier to look away. But then as a government, you will look back and see that we have not shied away. We have also been a government that has been very sensitive to the people. We have always ensured that wherever we talk to our people, we carry our people along with us. We accommodate them. We do consultation. We do dialogue. We discuss with people. We always believe that it's better to carry our people together. And that is a kind of outlook and approach that we have had. And that is why we are seeing that so many of our people, individuals, stakeholders have approached this government and are comfortable to discuss matters so that we can find resolutions amicably. That the NPP has been very, very clear in the objective that it has. We are a party, as I said, I read out to you just now, is here to protect the traditions and rights and the customs of our people. We are here to protect and fight for the people of our region. We feel the Northeast requires a platform, and NPP is going to provide, and it is providing a platform. And that is the reason why today, after people seeing the kind of work that we're doing, that people like Mr. John Karshing and his friends and all his supporters today are happy to join and work with the NPP because it goes in line with what they believe in. And a lot of times people actually look at the constitution, they read it, but actually they don't implement it. But we as a party are very serious about what we stand for. And that's the reason why, as I said, this is a perfect match. I'm sure that in the entire objective of what the party is planning to do, we will see that Mr. John Karshing will be able to contribute immensely to this cause and this concern and this objective and principle that the NPP has. Apart from that, as a political party, we have been very, very clear about issues of the farmers. If you look at the last many years, there has never been any program that works towards the welfare of farmers. If you recall, we had changed the name of our department from simply agriculture to farmers welfare also. And there was a reason behind it. We didn't do it just like that. We did it because we felt strongly that farmers and agricultural workers and producers form 70% of our population. And yet, the government is not able to provide them with proper support. So in the history of our state, for the first time, somewhere earlier in this year, in March 2020, we started the biggest farmers' social welfare program called Focus. NPP should not look at this as a political thing. Now let me make it very clear. I never made that statement. It was in response to a similar question like what you're asking me today. Somebody had asked, I forgot who, that is there a possible political link to this incident? And my reply was, there could be. We cannot simply write that off. So I never made that statement. I simply was reacting to a question that was asked by one of you. But I request if those kind of questions should not be made as if I'm making a statement. So coming back to your question, that there could be, but we don't know. But police will of course look at all the angles and will do the investigation. And police is doing a good work right now. And as I said, 5 arrests have been made, and possibly more arrests will be made. And they're very much into the entire investigation.